If you like creating videos in Canva, keep watching. There is this audio feature I think you should know about. From your phone, it looks like this. Go to Canva and open a document. Select the plus icon, add a song, and open Effects. Here's where you'll find the new feature that will allow you to fade in or fade out the audio on your Canva videos. Fade in means to gradually increase the volume level from silence to the original level. When you fade out, it means to gradually decrease the volume level from original level to silence. These are simple details that will make your videos sound more professional. From your computer, it looks like this. On your computer, once you have your audio selected, you'll see the new feature under this audio effects button. Did you already know about this feature? Let me know in the comments and follow me for more Canva tips.